Government's plan of action for a reformed justice system has seen the implementation of several measures. These include the refurbishing of courthouses and instituting policies to strengthen and regulate the management of administrative duties. The latest development is the creation of a Prosecutor's Manual for Jamaica, the result of collaboration with local and international partners. The 263-page document is the first of its kind for the country and was launched in January 2016 by the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. The manual outlines clear guidelines for prosecutors to execute their duties.
This manual is a culmination of consultation and codification of rules and protocols to be employed by prosecutors in Jamaica. It is therefore one very important means by which Crown Counsel at the DPP's office, clerks of court in the resident magistrates' courts, or any other external attorneys at law in different entities or by themselves who operate with the express fiat of the DPP seek to conduct business.
There are 15 chapters to the Prosecutor's Manual for Jamaica. Chapters 1 to 3 deal with the Code of Conduct for Prosecutors, guidelines about the decision to prosecute cases, and adherence to the prescribed principles of disclosure.
Chapter 4 deals with guidance in relation to bail and related issues. Chapter 5 deals with plea discussions. Chapter 6 contains guidance and directions in relation to certain critical subjects, including the treatment of children, unrepresented accused persons, firearm offences, capital murder, and the proceeds of crime. Chapter 7 deals with mutual legal assistance and extradition matters.
Chapters 8 to 12 of the manual provide detailed guidelines for relations between prosecutors and judges, jurors, other government officials, witnesses, and victims. Meanwhile,
Chapter 13 provides guidance to prosecutors in their relations with other lawyers. Chapter 14 provides an outline of statutorily and non-statutorily prescribed relations between prosecutors and the police or other investigators. Chapter 15 deals with relations between prosecutors and the media. This manual benefited from collaboration with many stakeholders whose input was sought to make it a living document and a real and practical document.
Funding and technical support was provided by the Canadian government's Justice Undertaking for Social Transformation JUST program and the British government. The United Nations Development Programme UNDP assisted with the publication of the manual.
This bold step will help improve public confidence in the administration of justice.
Progress is being made in the prosecuting services and our thinking and our professionalism in the 21st century.
This is an important achievement as this groundbreaking manual documents an operational model, provides clear guidelines to ensure the consistent application of agreed standards and procedures.
It represents a significant achievement for Jamaica to have a document like that developed and published so that those who have published it can be held to account by the standards that they have set for themselves, and their willingness to accept being assessed by reference to those standards is, I think, an important step forward for governance in the country.
The Ministry of Justice, strengthening the delivery of justice to Jamaicans.